Most people fail to secure remote AI training jobs not because they are unlucky, but because they are not keenly paying attention to the basic requirements when creating these platforms. For a successful application, you need a well written resume and a well documented LinkedIn profile. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step by step guide on how to create a perfect resume that will land you opportunities in platforms like Handshake AI, Outlier, Mindrift, and even Aligner. It is as well important for me to mention the first step that you'll have to take for you to make an application for these jobs is number one, you have to head to platforms that really list this kind of jobs. A good example is Greenhouse. Greenhouse really has lots of these AI training jobs or any other remote job that you really want to make an application to. Also, on the same, for you to get these platforms, you can do a keyword search on your browser, for example, job opportunities by Outlier or data annotation job opportunities by Handshake AI or any other platform that you want to make an application to. You'll get a list of websites that really market these jobs on behalf of platforms like Handshake AI, Outlier, Mindrift, Aligner, on and any other platform that you can think of. The second way for you to make an application, a successful application, is to get a referral link from a colleague or a friend who is already working in any of these platforms with a specific project. Let's say you have a friend who was already working, who was already tasking on Handshake account, maybe a job project. Let's say, take an example, you have a colleague or a friend who is already tasking a Hedgehog project in Handshake AI. They only have to send you an invite by sharing a link, a direct invitation link. You take the link, and once you click on the link, it will direct you automatically to the platform, and that's where now you start making an application. Let's head to creating our first successful resume. We'll take an example of a Hedgehog project by Handshake. We'll use that project as an example to curate a very nice resume that we'll use to make an application. Right here, I have my ChatGPT. I use LE Marina. LE Marina is a good platform. I have a short video on how to set it up, but I'll give you another walkthrough. At the top right here, you'll just search lemarina.ai on your browser. You'll get to this kind of platform. Sign up with your Gmail, of course, and after that, you'll have to select click on this drop down and decide which mode you really want to proceed with. So battle mode, actually, that's comparing to just anonymous models, and we have an agent mode which is built for complex tasks. We have a side by side which gives two choices, two model choices, and we have a direct chat with one model at a time. And this is where actually we are going to focus on. You just have to click on direct. On the immediately after that, you have a drop down here. This is where you choose the model that you want to use. For instance, you can see the top models that we have here. We have Gemini 3 Flash, we have ChatGPT 5.2 latest version, we have Cloud, we have Gemini, and all of those platforms that you really want to use, that are actually available on the other platforms, that but we have them listed under one platform, which is elimarina.ai. For this case, I can go with let's just proceed the max option, and then on the way I'll show you how you can switch it back according to the models that we really want. But it's upon you to decide the model that you want to use, no problem. The first thing that you always have to do is to ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt. A prompt is very, very important because a prompt is what guides you on how your resume will really look like. For instance, I said we are going to use a Hedgehog project by Handshake AI as an example. So we are going to curate a resume that matches a Hedgehog kind of project. Remember, I said we have two options for you to make an application. Number one, you head to a platform that really lists these jobs. Number two, you can get an invite link to a specific project, which is very, very dominant in the market. Like you get a friend, they send you a link, and that link you can use it to make a direct application. Remember, when you get a link to a specific project, you have to create a resume that really matches that specific project that you're applying for. If it is Ether project in Outlier, you have to create a resume that really matches Ether kind of job or task kind of projects. The first thing that you'll have to do is just to enter our prompt right here. ChatGPT has come up with a nice prompt for me. I really like it. Below is a high impact prompt. You can copy and paste in any resume builder to generate a powerful resume for Project Job. Right below is the prompt, and also I like the fact that it has insisted on the resume being ATS optimized. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. Actually, you do realize that these platforms, they do receive a bigger number of applicants all over the world, and it's not logical for a human to sit somewhere and scan through all these resumes. That's why they have a special software that really goes through all these digital resumes that they receive from a bigger number of applicants. Your resume must meet the standards, or else it won't really pass through and give you and match you to the correct kind of job that you are really applying for. The next thing for you to do is to copy the whole of this prompt and paste it in another model. Or if you're using Alignerr like me, you can just switch to any other model that you want. For this case, I can switch to Gemini and paste the prompt, and we see the kind of result that will really come up with. I already pasted my prompt here, and you can see the kind of resume that we have already come up with here. So it has really highlighted a very nice professional summary. It has also highlighted out the core competencies for this role, that is Project Hedgehog. It has also pointed out the professional experience from platforms like Toloka AI and also Outlier AI. Remember, I pasted the prompt and also did some tweaking a little bit here and there. You can see I added the names, added the institutions, and this is just for illustration, guys. Always add institutions that you went to, and also any other information that is relevant. After that, it will come up with a very nice resume, as you can see. The next thing is to copy this resume and transfer it to Microsoft Word, where we are now going to do the final touches, the formatting. I'll have to highlight the all of it. You highlight the all of it. Don't leave anything out. The certifications, very nice. And then you click on copy, come to Microsoft Word, and you have to paste it accordingly. I'll go to use this merge formatting option. Let's use the merge formatting option right here. The next thing is now to format the resume accordingly. For example, I'll have to do away the separation lines. It's not really looking good. Just to make sure that your resume doesn't look AI generated, you have to format it accordingly. Remember, you only use ChatGPT to be your assistant, but it shouldn't really take over all the information that you give it. You just have to be a very good person when it comes to prompting. The next thing, I'll just have to adjust the font size maybe to 12, and The font type, Times New Roman, is a very good font type. After that, you can see our resume is taking a very nice shape right now. And remember, you can always change any other information you want. You can filter them out right here. I like this resume. I like this resume. And by the way, I'm coming up with my website is currently 80% complete. In the next 2 or 3 weeks, it will be out and you'll be able to get all these documents from the website. You'll be able to download any assessment test, quizzes, answers, responses, and also this template. You will find it on my website as I launch it very, very soon. In the meantime, if you need this resume template, you can just send me a mail. My mail is in the bio of this channel, and I'll be able to send it to you. I also want to point out that you are not limited to use Eli Marina. You can use the ChatGPT. The fact that ChatGPT already has all your information stored in it, so it will always be easier to fill in, automatically key in information like your personal details, the location. By the way, you can always add your location here. You can say maybe I can say Miami in Florida. Yeah, remember this is a sample. Yeah, it's not a real details. I'm just using it as an example to come up with a very nice template for you guys. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you find it really useful. Like it and share with any other friend out there who really wants to, who really is struggling to create a nice resume that will see them get these remote work opportunities. Thank you for watching to the end. And as I insist also, if you want the prompt or you want this resume template, kindly send me a mail, or just I'll be as I said, my website is close to or is nearing completion, and you'll be able to be downloading all these template in my website. Once it's live, I'll let you know, and from there we can really have a smooth running. After you have formatted your resume, the next thing is to save it as PDF. Always ensure to save your resume in PDF format, since most of these platforms, they only accept resumes that are in PDF format. If you want this template, you can just send me an email. My email is in the biography of this channel. You can send me an email and I'll really send it back to you. Even if also you want the prompt, I'll also share the prompt. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I'll keep on sharing very, very useful information like these ones here. And also, just to remind you that I'm coming up with my website where I'll be able to be uploading these documents, and you can be able to download them and use it. After you download them, of course, you'll be able to edit it to fit in the role that you are applying for. If you also need the prompt, you'll also be getting them on the website. In the next few weeks, my website will be out and I'll let you guys know. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Kindly, I repeat, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, and share it out there with someone who really needs an assistance on how to come up with a perfect resume.